to round 2 of my blacksmithing journey. Done my own work. Yeah, I kind of squeezed it into this week's work at work. Yeah, been a hellish one. Did an 11-hour day yesterday. Body is an absolute tatters. My shoulders are hurting, my back's hurting, my elbows hurting, my wrists are hurting. Yeah, so I've dosed myself up with paracetamol and caffeine, and let's see what today brings. I've got 2 projects that were my homework projects. I've got the tongs that we started in the first video, and I welded them up as my homework. Finished them off today. I've got the hot cut hardy hole tool, which I forged up last time round. I welded up for my homework, and yeah, finish that one off today hopefully, and yeah, see what other projects I can get up to. I've brought along a couple of old pair of tongs which we acquired at the workshop, and yeah, Andy showed me how to refurbish them really, because they are solid, whether we need to cut the rivet off and put a new rivet in, or it's just a case of warm them up, rebend them, give them a wiggle, chuck some wax on them. Yep, so more learning today. Hopefully not going to be swinging that massive hammer as much. Yeah, it was a hard session last time, really hurt my hands, so hopefully stick to lighter hammers today. Maybe do a little bit of twisting. Yeah, we're going to maybe make a toasting fork or a fire iron or something, as well as whatever other mischief we can get up to. So yeah, stick around, enjoy the video. Thank you very much for watching. end of another session with Andy. Absolutely fantastic session. I've come away feeling a lot healthier than I turned up in. Yeah, my hand doesn't hurt as much as last time. I learned not to hold the hammer so bloody tight. That's where most of my problem was. It was the shock load. Also been working some very tough steel, tougher than last time as well. So yeah, I'm either building up a little bit of tolerance to hammering, or it was just a lighter day. I even went for an even bigger hammer than last time. I just didn't really like the feel of it. So yeah, I was swinging the 3 kilo hammer again, which yeah, it was good. A little bit more crafty sort of work today. So yeah, playing around with shaping the metal, doing some twists, doing some decorative stuff. Yeah, nice session. I'll cut away to a clip of me going through what I've made today again, much like last time, on top of that wooden chest. Show you what I've been up to. Yeah, some nice little fun projects today. Yeah, really got the bug for this blacksmithing lark now. Thank you very much for watching the video this far, and yeah, please do subscribe if you are not already subscribed. A lot of my viewers are not subscribed yet, so please do subscribe. Press that like button, leave comments, and yeah, watch this space for more blacksmithing videos, and also more videos relating to this blacksmithing venture as well. I've got a couple of leatherworking projects on the go now, and yeah, nice day, very nice day. First up here is the toasting fork. Turned out really quite lovely. Lovely square prongs and a nice like shiny blue finish. Really pleasant in the hand. Nice hook on the end there to hang it up by the mantelpiece. Ready for toasting something on the open fire. Marshmallows or bread. Yeah, very nice little fork. Next up here we have the hanging basket bracket. Right, mouthful that. Yeah, turned out really nice as well. This was a quick and easy one, really. Say easy. This square section that was used as the brace here, we decided to flip it on edge just to make it harder. Nice little closed loop on the end, therefore you can fasten the hanging basket on without anybody being able to lift it off as they walk past. Fishtail on the bottom end of the back support, screw hole, and on the top end of the back support a nice arrowhead and another screw hole. Riveted together, kind of sturdy. Yeah, just gonna do a bit of a linseed oil finish on this. Beautiful. Next up we have the hot cut hardy tool. I forged the blade on the first session. I welded it to a square plate and also the tenon on the bottom as homework. Check out my previous video on that one. And heat treated it on return to Andy's forge this time round. Yeah, lovely little tool. Look forward to using that. Next up we have the tongs that I forged the bits and braces on the first session. They were welded together as homework and finished off in the second session. Yeah, really nice, useful tool. And at the same time we were playing with tongs. A couple of pairs of tongs that I'd acquired over the time just needed a little bit of a refinish. Yeah, the reins were a little bit twisted. The jaws were seized solid, and Andy showed me how to rejuvenate some old tongs. And now for the pièce de la résistance. This is a kindling chopper. Lovely little ring at the end of the handle. Nice curve to the handle. Really good long handle as well, so you can choke up right on it. Square hole punched in the end, just to be different. Also, I angled off that top corner. Nice weighty chopper. You can choke right up on the blade or hold it really far back on the handle. Watch out for a upcoming video where I build a sheath and also wrap the handle. And yeah, really enjoyed this session. Looking forward to getting to some more blacksmithing. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.